I'm Thomas, I'm our Schwaben brand manager for tools, and today I'm going to be showing you how to use a Schwaben spring compressor. So this is our Schwaben spring compressor, and what this does is it allows you to safely relieve pressure in the spring when installing them or removing them off the car. I'm going to actually open up the case and show you guys a little bit more on how it's used. In our spring compressor toolkit, you'll have these two arms, and what these have is they have pins to lock the springs in. The springs are going to sit in these little arms right here. And then when you're installing this, after those springs are in that groove, you want to push these pins forward, and that allows you to tighten this down without any of the springs falling out. I'm going to go ahead and get this set up on the tool quickly. So you want to go on a spring closer to the inside, like this. Wind it down. Push these tabs in to lock the spring in, and then continue tightening this up. For the time being, you just want it hand tight on the actual spring, just like that. And it'll hold itself on the spring because there is a little bit of pressure being applied. I'm gonna go ahead and pick up the second one and apply that on the same way that I applied the first one on. You want both of them hand tight to begin with, so you're not over torquing one more than the other. And again, twist this one down. Sit it on the spring, push your pin forward, push the pin forward. And then now that these are both hand tight on the spring, you want to start by using your ratchet and slowly turning each one up so you're doing it at equal lengths, so you're not compressing one side over the other. Pull it forward. Do a couple turns on each side. Okay, so now that our spring is fully compressed, you can either install this on the car or take this off the car. You're also able to compress the spring while it's on the car with the strut and the knuckle pulled forward, or you can take the whole strut assembly out of the car, do it on a table, make your job a lot easier. This tool is going to be linked in the description below, and while you're down there, please hit that subscribe button and follow for more enthusiast content.